students, as in the previous class we had a discussion about the biogeochemical cycle, correct? In that one cycle we covered up previous lecture. Now today we will discuss nitrogen cycle. So basically what is the nitrogen? Nitrogen, as we know, it's a gas. Its symbol is N and its molecular formula is N2 because it's a diatomic molecule. It is made up of two atoms. So this is the diatomic molecule. Okay. Now this nitrogen gas is present in our atmosphere around 78%. Out of 100, 78% only nitrogen gas is present in the atmosphere, and it is very inactive gas. It doesn't react easily in the free form to other element. Okay, some high temperature or pressure is required to react with other element, other atoms, and this gas is very essential in the life forms. Why? Because if we think there's no possibility of life without the nitrogen, because our DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, they all are made up of nitrogen itself. Our blood contains the hemoglobin, that is made up of nitrogen, means proteins. Okay, and protein is made up of nitrogen only. Our protein's main component is the nitrogen, and even our many enzymes, hormones, they are just made up of proteins only. So protein main ingredient is the nitrogen. Protein actually made up of nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. So if there is no nitrogen, protein cannot be synthesized, correct? So now here we can think like there is no life possibility, there is no possibility of life without nitrogen on the earth. But the thing is that this nitrogen gas cannot be used directly, neither by plants nor by animals. Like we use the oxygen during the breathing, we use plant use carbon dioxide and during the photosynthesis, but this nitrogen cannot be used in the simple form, free form. It has to be converted in other compound, then only it can be used. Amino acid, proteins, like that. Before that also little long process is there. So we'll see here how it is converted. But some bacteria are there. Some bacteria, they can use this nitrogen in free form. So what these bacteria will do for us? These bacteria actually found in the root nodules. Suppose this is the plant. Okay, this is the plant. These are the roots of the plant. These are the plant. Okay, I'm doing roughly. Okay, and these are the roots of the plant, root nodules. You are seeing these parts, these nodules, these joints. These are called nodules, root nodule. Here only these bacteria are found. Rhizobium bacteria, one of the example of that kind of bacteria, rhizobium. These bacteria can use free nitrogen from the atmosphere, and they can convert into nitrates and nitrites. Okay, nitrate and nitrite, these are the compound of nitrogen. Then afterwards plant can convert in the usable form. Okay, when we bring the rice seed, right, wheat seeds, what we use directly, we chew them directly? No, we wash them, we make flour, then after we cook them, then afterwards it becomes usable for us. Same way plant also can't use this nitrogen directly. For that reason some bacteria help them to convert these nitrogen into nitrites and nitrates, then they can make in the usable molecule. Okay, and these bacteria are found only dicot plant. Which plant? Dicot means dicotyledon. Like we have a groundnut seed, we can break in two part, correct? If you remove the seed of the groundnut, if you just crush it, it can be broken into two pieces. Same pulses, peas, grams, these are the seeds which can be converted into cotyledon. Their cotyledon means part of the seed, they are called cotyledon. So these bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, they are called nitrogen fixing bacteria, which convert nitrogen into nitrate and nitrite. Okay, these nitrogen fixation bacteria are found in the root nodules of dicot plant, not other plants. Legumes plant in which seeds are enclosed in the pod. Okay, in the seed cover, those plants only these bacteria are found. One more method is there to convert nitrogen into nitrate and nitrite. Actually, in the atmosphere during the rainy season, what happens? There will be lightning, there will be thundering. Because of lightning and thundering, high temperature and pressure is created. Correct. Due to this temperature and high pressure, nitrogen combined with the oxygen convert the nitrogen dioxide. Later on, it combined with the water. Okay, and form the HNO3, nitric acid, nitrous acid, and these acid along with the rain falls on the earth. Then they already convert in the nitrate because it's a hydrogen nitrate. Okay, already they are converted in nitrate and nitrite. So in that case, in this form, plant can use directly this nitrate and nitrite. So there are two ways to fixing nitrogen in the atmosphere. One is done by the bacteria like Rhizobium, and one is done by the lightning and thundering. Okay, atmospheric conditions. Okay, now in the tomorrow class I'll explain you after using this nitrogen, the form nitrate nitrite, what happens in the cycle, nitrogen cycle, what is the next step in the nitrogen cycle. Okay, so till then, thank you, take care, have a nice day.